friends, welcome to Temple's World Recipes. Today, we bring you a classic dish from Naples, Italy. We're going to prepare spaghetti alla Puttanesca. The story behind this dish is a little bit R-rated. As the story says, the ladies of the night would prepare this dish in between customers, and they would also prepare this dish for some of the customers, as it was supposed to give you more strength. It's very easy, has a few ingredients, and you're gonna love it. I'm gonna show you how to do it, so let's get cooking. The ingredients we're gonna need is 1 pound of spaghetti, 1 can of 20 ounces of peeled tomatoes, 4.5 ounces of pitted Kalamata olives, 1 ounce of anchovies, 4 garlic cloves, 3 tablespoons of capers, half a bunch of parsley, olive oil, and salt and pepper. First, we're gonna mince our garlic cloves. If you like it garlicky, like me, I'm using 4 garlic cloves, but you can use 2 or 3 depending on your choice. I'm gonna chop the stems of the parsley that we're not gonna use, and we're gonna chop our parsley finely. Now we're gonna season our peeled tomatoes with salt. The tomatoes are gonna need a lot of salt, and I'm also gonna add a little bit of pepper. We're gonna add some parsley, not all of it, and then we're gonna mash our tomatoes. We're gonna make our tomato sauce like this. If you wanna buy jarred tomato sauce, that's fine. I think this is better. We're gonna put our pot to boil our water. And as our water is boiling in another pan, I'm gonna add some olive oil, and then we're gonna add our anchovies. We're gonna start swerving our anchovies so they start melting and they incorporate into our olive oil. Then we're gonna add our garlic, our capers, and our Kalamata olives. This is going to be the base for our Puttanesca sauce. It's starting to smell real good right now. After a few minutes of cooking our base for our Puttanesca sauce, we're going to add our tomatoes. Now we're going to start stirring and cooking as everything incorporates. Then we're going to leave it at medium-low heat and let it simmer while our pasta is cooking. Now that our water is boiling, we're going to add some salt. I'm adding 1 tablespoon. Every time that you cook pasta, your water has to be salty, almost like the ocean. Now we're going to add our spaghetti, and my package says it's going to be ready in about 9 minutes. So we're going to leave it cooking for a couple minutes less than what the package says, as we want it very al dente. Our spaghetti's in the pot, our sauce is cooking. Right now is the perfect time for you to click on subscribe to our channel. If you want to know when new videos are coming, click on the bell to get notifications. Don't forget to leave us your comments and give us a like at the end of the video. And also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And now, let's finish our spaghetti. Now our sauce is ready and our spaghetti is ready. All we're gonna do is mix them together. I'm gonna pour my spaghetti and put it in my sauce. Now we're gonna mix everything together. This is looking great. And now we're gonna plate. I'm using a pinch fork to roll my spaghetti, and using a soup spoon, I'm gonna turn it around, make a little mount, and this is how we're gonna serve it. Now we're gonna take a little bit more of that sauce, the olives and the capers, and put it on top of it. And to finish, we're gonna garnish with a little bit of fresh parsley. And just like that, our spaghetti alla Puttanesca is ready. Smells good. Let's try it. A little bit of everything. Very fresh and strong flavors. It's a classic from Naples. Give this recipe a try, and we'll see you next time.